Hello and welcome everyone for this wonderful session on virtual reality. Myself Satya, working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSE from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Let's get started with the session. Yes, the contents what we are going to discuss today is about what is actually the virtual reality, history, then types, hardware used in the virtual reality, applications, advantages and disadvantages. Yes, first we will discuss on what is actually a virtual reality. Virtual reality means is nothing but feeling the imaginary world. Yes, we can able to feel the imaginary world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is nothing but a simulation running in a computer. Yes, the virtual reality is the term used for a computer generated 3D environment. Yes, that allows the user to enter and interact with an alternate reality. Yes, the definition virtual is near and the reality is what we experience as a human being. Yes, so finally we come to conclude that the virtual reality is nothing but the feeling the imaginary world rather than the in absence of your real one. Yes, history. More than one person have involved in the development of the technological system. In 1950s, visionary cinematography Morton Peak built a single user console called Sensorama. This enabled the user watch television in three-dimensional ways. Yes, next, here comes the types of virtual reality. What are all the types of virtual reality means? Immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality, then Windows on virtual reality. Let me discuss one by one. The first and foremost is nothing but immersive virtual reality. What it actually means, immersive into a virtual reality is the perception of being physically present in a non-physical world. Yes, you feel as you are physically present in that particular environment. That's what we call as an immersive virtual reality. The elements, the elements supported for these are continuity of surroundings, conformance to human vision, freedom of movement, physical interaction, then physical feedback. These are all the elements of the virtual environment that increases the immersion of the experience. Yes, the second type is non-immersive virtual reality. It is the long display but does not surround the user. Yes, this is a large display, say for an example, like PlayStation, like artificial 3D game, everything will comes under your non-immersive virtual reality. Then third one is your Windows on the World virtual reality. It is nothing but a desktop-based virtual reality which involves displaying a three-dimensional virtual on regular desktop display without use of any specialized moment tracking environment. Yes, these are all the three types of virtual reality. What are all the hardware devices that is supporting your virtual reality? Input devices and output devices. Let me check what are all the input and output devices. The input devices are Prior Razer Hydra, Leap Motion, STEM, Control VR. These are all the input devices supporting your virtual reality. Then what are all the output devices? Virtual reality camera, headset, sensing gloves, 3D audio. So these are all the devices that supports your output devices. Then next we will discuss on about what are all the applications in virtual reality. The first is virtual reality in military. What it will do? It can simulate advanced ground vehicles mimicking any kind of vehicles and making soldiers experience their shape and maneuverability. Then in healthcare, what it will do means these include medical training for both doctors in training and students, patient treatment, medical marketing, and educating people about a disease or medical condition or process. Yes, how it is important in education. Yes, it can also help students and teachers to gain classroom insights by recording and recreating real classroom sessions. Say for an example, if a student uses a class, they can use these VR recording to be digitally transported into their classroom, see their peers and learn as if they were there. Then entertainment allows the common people to encourage with the exhibits, concerts, museum, gallery, etc. It allows a person to view 3D images, and these images will appear life-sized to a person, so the entertainment seems realistic but enjoyable. Yes. Next, what are all the main advantages and disadvantages? First, we will keep up with your advantages. Yes, virtual reality creates the realistic world. Okay, it enables the user to explore places. Though virtual reality user can experiment with an artificial environment. Yes, virtual reality makes the education more easily and comfort. So, as an overall advantage, we can able to assume that it will create an realistic world. Then the main disadvantage here is it is very expensive, then it is a complex technology, then we can't move by our own as like in the real world. So these are all the main disadvantages behind your virtual reality. Yes, I hope this session will be very useful for you. Thank you. Thank you once again for listening the class. We will meet you at the another session.